All right. Now, ntandise okukkiriza. Mu Uganda muno mulimu kye bayita trend setting. Nga twakamala okuwitnessinga documentary eya Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine. Eyatuuka ku stages ez'amaanyi mu nsi yonna yonna. Omuyimbi Jose Chameleon naye avuddeyo n'akola documentary ye. Era ali yet okugireleasinga eggwanga oba ensi emanye who is Dr. Jose Chameleon. Oyinza olowooza nti bino bigambo byange naye naawe njagala obe ng'owulira amawulire gano.
So many may come and go. Na yo mukwano gono mwana gwampalo. Buli lwe tulage no tubasho. Come see your baby mama in a triangle. I am in the mood. Can I see you tonight? See you tonight. Wagala baby for life. Baby for life. Can I see you tonight? See you tonight. I love you, baby, for life. Baby, for life. You already know I love you for life. I ain't telling no lie. I wanna make you my wife. 'Cause you're my baby for life. Bana balala 0-0. Bali biro kasa siro. Bana balala 0-0. Bali biro kasasiro. I am in the mood. Can I see you tonight? See you tonight. Kwagala baby for life. Baby for life. Yes. Ntwetwe. Tonight I'm in your area. Tonight, if you're around tonight, tell them good music is in your area. We're coming to Ntwetwe tonight. Shout out to all my Kenyan people in the live. What's up, chat? Talk to me, chat. What's up, chat? Team Good Music on top, you already know. Hey, by the way, I just dropped a new music video with my brother Ronias. If you don't know Ronias, get familiar. Go straight to YouTube and check us out. We just dropped a new music video called Kakana. Dedicated to everybody out there that loves good music and everybody that doesn't want a Kakana. Go listen to it on Kakana. It's on YouTube, baby. Go check it out, yeah. We just dropped it with my brother Ronias. Brand new video shot by Jah Live, the legendary maker himself. Jah Live, if you're familiar with Jah Live, you know what I'm talking about, so go peep it on YouTube. YouTube got it for you in plenty. Kakana, body shape, figure 8, wabolo nyirira. Bambi sabatu bikole mungabi nyumira. Kakana. Catwalk on the stage, Bwakoze Mubigere. Yo, go check it out on YouTube. Grenade Official. Thank you for the heart, my nigga. Grenade. Nothing but love and respect, my nigga. Yeah, man. God bless you. Yeah. Such a great artist. Great man. Great talent. Respect. Large up on yourself. Yeah, man. Nothing but love. So my people, go check it out, man. I just dropped a new music video called Kakana on my YouTube channel. And make sure you subscribe. Yo, Grenade out here splashing the cash, yo. Shout out to my homie Grenade Official. Yo, little cuz, man, I love you to the moon and back. You already know it's been nothing but love. Nothing but love, my nigga. Nothing but love, Grenade Official. You already know, yo, man. Grenade Official, you know how far we came from, man. Thank you. I love you too, young bro. Yeah, man, baddest, youngest, untouchable vibes, Grenade Official. My nigga splashing the dollars, showing me love on Sunday. What's up, man? I appreciate it, my nigga. Yo, man, keep the flowers coming, man. You're the man. You're my nigga. Smart Jesus, that one, yo. Yo, anybody that don't know me on Grenade come a long way, man. Since 014, I've been rolling with a nigga, man. That's my G. That's my little brother. That's my Kazo fam. You already know. So as I was telling you, I just dropped a brand new music video on YouTube. It's called Kakana. So make sure you go check it out. Somebody out here just told me I drop you a cappella of Forever. Gweyogera nkutuke konkulabe. Tofa kubafuyi bamirere. Ogo mulimu gwange kangukole. Bonna batule wansi tuba wakatebe. Mutima gwange gwalimu ekituli. Wankanika bono bafula babigere. Gwe mundu nze msirikale. Gwe matama pya munywanto y'omuwere. Mukwano chiche tuliko. Ngamba nvuge nzije nkulabeko. Mumusana nenkuba ndibawo. No matter what them say, don't worry, I got you. I don't care what people say. Sifa kubantu byebogera. Zenatwala chigambo kyo. Sikungeri jenkwagalamu. Bagenda bulaya kola mibiri. Gwewe simye Mungu yakuwa. And I love our chemistry. I want forever. Mwana choyo. Baby togufula muze Bionkola bindwaza mize Hafazali nkuloga nze nkuloga Baby tongana nkuloga nze nkuloga Hafazali nkusera nze nkusera Baby tongana nkuyola Yo, my nigga Grenade. Since 2014, you already know. Yo, I told you nothing, but let me, Peter Grenade, let me see if he's coming live with us. Is Grenade live, man? Should I invite him? People say I should invite Grenade on my live, man. Where's my nigga Grenade official? Oh, I can't find him. But yo, I just want to say huge shout out to my nigga Grenade. Yeah, man, my fans wanted me to bring you live, but can't see you, G. But yo, I salute you. Grenade official. Ngojeka abantu okubera mu Uganda nonga bazanyira ku bantu. Grenade official is young, talented, and handsome. All combined at the same time. Yeah, man. Love your city, rep your land, support your people, love your people. That's our people. Yeah, man. So I salute you, bro. Nothing but love. I don't judge, you don't judge me. I stay in my lane. I do what I do, you do what you does, bro. Yeah, man. Love and respect. Love and respect. Yo, but to all my people, my brother, Chameleon, legendary warfare, legendary war machine, military, legendary lion in the jungle, lion of the jungle. Man pound his chest and make the world shake. Yeah, man, Dr. Jose Chameleon got a brand new documentary coming. It's in the works. This is me just giving you the in-peep. Shit you don't know happening behind curtains, man. Chameleon about to drop you a documentary. You about to see something you never seen before. Uganda, strap up, brace up, brace yourselves, because you're about to see something on the big screen. I want to congratulate my brother, the legendary Dr. Chameleon, upon the new radio station in Burundi, Bujumbura. What's up, my people there? Is you good? Yo, we love you out here. We love you from Uganda. That's why my brother had to come out there and do a radio station, because you guys are great. Such a beautiful country. And now we got such a beautiful radio station in a beautiful country. You know what I'm talking about? We came from the ghetto to the bank, from the bottom of Uganda to the map, from the hearts of the people to the world. And that's a good enough reason. We came from the ghetto to the bank, from the bottom of Uganda to the map, from the hearts of the people to the world. And that's a good enough reason. Chameleon FM kuruno jitege tojisulira mu bobangoli Bujumbura genda ku internet na yanti kwetuli tukuwereze miziki je Burundi ne UG East Africa stand up for the legendary yabagulide radio area yo Bujumbura tutegane tubuliza kamiri ngakuba Ugandan music to the world to bakube Bujumbura twagala nabo Chameleon FM 94.4 FM. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning Bujumbura. Chameleon FM 94.4 FM. Yeah man, that's something we gotta be grateful for. That's our legend. So I salute you, brother. But again, we gotta pray for the legend. Yeah man, my brother Chameleon, my legend. We gotta pray for him, all these fans worldwide. Let's pray for the legend. He has to get back up on his feet. The legend just went through eye surgery, and you know eyes is one of the most delicate organs on the human body. So you already know we have to pray for the legend. Make sure he get up back on his feet right. The legend must stand. The only living legend we have, man. The legend must stand again. Pray for the legend, pray for the legend. Team Chameleon, pray for the legend, pray for the legend, pray for the legend, pray for the legend. Yeah, man. All my Randy's people here, umva, urakuze. Nabakunze chane. Nabakunze chane. Abanyaranda murihe. Nabakunze chane. All my people in Rwanda. Right now, I just got up. I'm going for a video shoot. If you're from Rwanda, drop your flags. I got more news for you. I know a lot of y'all just see me record with my brother Bruce Melody Mayanja. Bruce Melody from Kigali, Rwanda. From Kampala to Uganda. We